In the earth-moving industry, success and safety are riding on your wheels. That's why regular inspection and repair are essential to eliminate unnecessary downtime, control long-term costs, and safeguard the health and well-being of field personnel. RIMEX believes that inspection and repair must meet the highest industry standards, and that starts with the Australian Standard 4457, which responds to the ever-increasing loads and forces on earth-moving wheels. With heavier trucks and payloads and higher speeds, the failure of a rolling wheel or rim can be extremely dangerous. To minimize this risk and to enhance efficiency, the Australian standard stipulates rigorous and consistent controls for the inspection, maintenance, and repair of wheel and rim assemblies on earth-moving machinery. Initial inspections begin with high-impact shot peening to remove paint and corrosion. The critical areas of the rim are visually examined and sprayed with contrast paint. The paint highlights non-conforming areas during magnetic particle inspection, which is a non-destructive testing technique. All non-conforming areas are identified and marked for repair. Welds are tested ultrasonically as required. RIMEX reports in detail all findings of wear and damage, then offers estimates for the cost of repair and makes recommendations for the final disposition of every wheel and rim, whether it should be scrapped or returned to service. Damaged material or components are replaced by RIMEX to original equipment manufacturer specifications or better. Repaired components are repainted with a direct-to-metal coating, which inhibits rust and extends the life of the finish. And finally, RIMEX tracks every inspection and repair with a unique ID for full accountability and to guarantee the quality of its work. Thorough and detailed inspection and repair procedures are indispensable for ongoing safety and success. And it's these best practices that make all wheels and rims repaired by RIMEX the safest and most dependable in the industry.